Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Sound and Vibration, and over here click on Vibrate Phone Calls. Then select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on this option and go back. Now you can also click on this switcher next to Synchronize Ring Vibration to enable or disable this feature, and then choose Advanced. Now scroll down and click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, Touch Vibrations, and Outgoing Call Vibrations to enable or disable vibrations for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!